to trade MU, do we have a long-term opportunity or how to sell this stock? Today I'm going to give you some insights. For the cake like right now, this is only education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. Look at MU monthly chart. Do we have any opportunity now? The answer is no, because the best opportunity is where the red changed the direction and it has been up so much already. Okay, so when we do the trade, I want to remind you, we need to go opposite, do opposite of your instinct. Right now is people like, wow, fear of miss out. They go in the market. Look at this monthly chart. Even monthly chart have the yellow candle. So something we need to really careful. Okay. And do we have opportunity for weekly chart, which is the swing trade? Let's see. Right now, weekly chart. Remember, we trade safe. Okay. So the opportunity is not here. The opportunity is 4 week ago basically. So around 415 this point. We have a buy point here. Okay, this green line, if you don't have my indicator, you can draw this green line as your stop gain price. Stop gain price. Okay, it is a bit so it's quite stable actually. This is weekly chart. I will show you the weekly daily chart one. Back to the point here. We have the first, this is safe buy point here. They go above the red, confirm this is done. Confirm this pullback is done. And then they continue to go upward. Okay, which is here. And you can see money also. Money here is also from this point, they're going upward. But can we buy earlier? The answer is yes. When they touch this blue line, you see, end of the week, you can check, are they going to close as a green? If yes, go to daily chart to check what is going on. So for example, here, 30th of March. So we go to daily chart. So I want to show you how to buy even lower than the red line change the direction. Can we buy one or two candle before that? So when we go back to that point, when they touch the blue, 30th of March here. At the same time, they have YM chip entry. See? So 30th of March, which is this point. No buy signal yet, but we have the YM chip entry. Tell you institution come in, right? And they go above the red. Then this is the first buy point. Okay? And since weekly chart, we are closing the candle above the the blue. So you can add a bit more position or use our original strategy. When they go above the blue, you buy. Okay, this is also good here and here. Is it clear? So it's all good. Now, how to sell? Okay, if you don't have my indicator, use this green line to stop gain. To stop gain. Okay, suppose if you like this stock, let's say you don't have my indicator, let's say if you don't have my indicator, you can use this point to buy because this is the platform, the top. Just go above the platform. This candle on 22nd of April. You see here? So this is a resistance and one candle go above 8% that day. Okay. So if you have my indicator, you can buy lower, much lower than that. You can buy either here and here. Okay. And then you still keep it. Until when? How to sell? When the yellow disappear, they close below the last yellow candle. This is the point for you to reduce or sell. Another thing, this is a correction or pullback. Look at the blue line. What's the difference? Pullback is shorter than correction. Correction is much bigger. The blue line is still going upward. So this is a pullback. Okay. Since we have yellow signal confirm, so for example, you buy here, you can use blue to stop gain, or you can use so when you buy with the blue, you can do the blue. If you buy with purple, you do with the purple. Depends on your time frame. Okay, the purple is longer term investor. Also, you can use weekly chart to sell. Okay, but if you buy recently, don't use weekly chart. Weekly chart for you to see the direction. Yes. And you missed the weekly chart, the buy sell point already. So you go to daily chart to check where is your sell point. Is it clear? So for daily chart, we always say buy low, sell high when it is fluctuating. Okay, so right now, let's say you don't have my indicator, you guess where's the institution buying. Do you think they buy here, or you buy here, or they buy here? Which one? Will they buy now? Think about this. I know you are so, even myself, I make the same mistake. I make so many mistakes before I have this system. I'm so scared to miss out opportunity. I see, oh, my friend get 20% up one day. Wow. And then I go in, boom, they go down. I'm not saying this one will go down right away, but there's a chance, right? So our trading theory is about possibility. We need to trade with lower risk because every time you take big risk, oh, big risk, big return. Okay, but how many opportunity you have? How many capital do you have? That's why my indicator can tell you where to cut loss and follow institution to buy. Is it clear? So right now, we do when you have the fear of missing out feeling or you feel greedy. Basically, the whole market is doing the same thing. And then this is the best point for the institution to reduce their shares. Okay, so be careful a little bit. I know, I know before the big volume trader they're reducing, and then they come back in this free day. You see here, this free day they go back in. This YM big buy is very fast indicator. If you're not short term, if you're short term trader, you have to watch this indicator. This is very good to use. Okay, but the more important is the line. Okay, the red line, the blue line, the purple line. I know today the market up quite a lot, 6%, 10%, 8%. But if you did not buy previously, again, don't buy at the peak. We wait for the next chance. Okay? There's so many chances you don't need to buy every single day. Mm. And another thing I want to remind you, like Warren Buffett did not buy every single day. He keep the cash. Why? Think about this. So MU, this stock today, no buy point, no sell point. The yellow is still on. Is it clear? So free line still going upward. I don't know when it's finished, but the sales strategy stay the same. If you are short-term trader, look for the yellow candle. When yellow disappear, close below, sell or reduce. Okay? So this is daily chart strategy. If you bought March around this level, you can use weekly chart strategy because weekly is still going on. So back to the weekly, we have the yellow already. We still keep going on. Okay, so it's up to you. Depends on your personality. Some people doesn't like to see the stock going down. So depends on your personality and the time to commit to the stock market. So I hope you like this video. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your friend. Don't uh don't be panic and don't rush in the market. Learn before you earn or you get my indicator bundle. Okay, see you next video. If you don't have my indicator bundle, at least put on the notification. Every time I upload a video, you will have notice. See you next video. Bye bye.